Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Magik in Marvel Rivals. Magik is a highly mobile and disruptive hero, perfect for players who enjoy controlling the flow of combat. Her unique abilities allow her to reposition allies, isolate enemies, and unleash devastating attacks. Mastering her kit will make you a formidable force on the battlefield, turning the tide of any engagement with strategic precision. Magik stepping discs are her primary tool for mobility and team utility. You can place up to 3 discs, each lasting for several seconds, allowing for rapid repositioning. Use them to gain high ground, escape incoming damage, or even pull an ally out of harm's way. Practice placing them quickly to maximize your map presence and keep opponents guessing your next move. Magik's Soul Sword is not just for show, it's a potent weapon. When active, her basic attacks deal increased damage and apply a stacking debuff that weakens enemy armor. This makes her excellent at dueling and shredding through high-health targets. Remember to activate your Soul Sword before engaging in close-quarters combat to maximize your damage output and secure eliminations. Magik's ultimate ability, Limbo, transforms the battlefield into a dangerous dimension. Enemies caught within its radius are slowed and take consistent damage over several seconds. This is perfect for controlling choke points, denying objective captures, or setting up devastating team combos. Coordinate with your teammates to unleash Limbo when enemies are grouped together for maximum effect and a decisive victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.